After the events of last week, this is a song I felt I had to write. It's called Clifden Gate. Come, friends and neighbours, suspend your labours. List to the story I now relate. It's not of drowning or bishops frowning, 'tis about a party called Clifden Gate. In Connemara, 'twas the month of August, the worthies gathered to have the crack. Storm Ellen raged just a short day after. Oh, who found the papers, alas, alack. Plus 80 gathered, an odd one blathered. I'm sure 'tis true some would rue the day. They all assembled, and not one trembled. They're here to honour Marking Killalay. Storm Ellen was nothing to that gathered in the hearts of people from far and near. Those very worthies who framed our restrictions broke them in public without shame or fear. Those golfing buddies, some fuddy-duddies, have played their game there during recess. To go on and party and not be tardy, 'tis hard to credit, my God, what a mess. With us cocooning, those boys were crooning a late-night rendition of Galway Bay. Shielded by laughter from fallout disaster, no thought that night of the Judgment Day. 'Tis hard to find a historic example, maybe Nero fiddling while Rome burned down. Our loss of trust in those who rule us, a fine minister lost to my hometown. We're all in this together, the chant that brought us through 6 long months of the COVID rage. Undermined our trust in those who would lead us, and now we're asked to just turn the page.